Hello friends, let's start with the first chapter, the Earth in the solar system. How wonderful it is to watch the sky after sunset. One would first notice one or two bright dots shining in the sky. The soon you would see the number increasing. You cannot count them anymore. The whole sky filled with teeny shiny objects. Some are bright, others dim. It seems as if the sky is studded with diamonds. They all appear to be twinkling, but if you look at them carefully, you will notice that some of them do not twinkle as others do. They simply glow without any flicker, just as moon shines. Along with these bright objects, you may also see the moon on the most of the days. It may, however, appear at different times in different shapes and different positions. You can see the full moon only once in about a month's time. It is full moon night or Purnima. A fortnight later, you cannot see at all. It is a new moon night or Amavasya. On this day, you can watch the sky. You can watch the night sky best, provided it is clear night. Do you wonder why can't we see the moon, all those bright teeny objects during daytime? It is because the very bright light of sun does not allow us to see all these bright objects of the night sky. The sun, moon, all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light, which they emit in large amount. These celestial bodies are called stars. Sun is a star. Countless twinkling stars in the night are similar to sun, but we do not feel their heat or light, and they look so teeny because they are very far from us. You must have noticed that all objects look smaller when seen from distance. How a small aeroplane looks when it's flying at a great height. While watching the night sky, you may notice various patterns formed by different groups of stars. These are called constellations. Urza Major or Big Bear is one such constellation. One of the most easily recognizable constellation is Saptarishi. Sapt means seven and Rishi means sages. It is a group of seven stars. It is a group of seven stars that forms a part of Ursa Major constellation. Ask someone elder in your family or neighborhood to show you more star planets and constellation in the sky. In the ancient times, people used to determine direction during the night with the help of stars. The North Star indicates the north direction. It is also called the pole star. It always remains in the same position in the sky. We can locate the position of pole star with the help of Saptarishi. Look at the figure 1.1. You will notice that if an imaginary line drawn joining the pointer star and extended further, it will point to the pole star. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of stars. Such bodies are called planets. The word planet comes from the Greek word planetei, which means wonders. The earth on which we live is a planet. It gets all its heat and light from sun, which is our nearest star. If you look at the earth from great distance, say the moon, it will appear to be shining just as a moon. The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite. It is a companion of our Earth and moves around it. Like our Earth, there are seven other planets that get heat and light from sun. Some of them have their moons too. Interesting fact: Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus have rings around them. These are belts of small debris. These rings may be seen from the Earth with the help of powerful telescope. The solar system: the sun, eight planets, satellite, and some other celestial bodies now known as asteroids and meteoroids from the solar system, and we often call it a solar family with the sun as its head. Mercury, one orbit around Sun is 88 days. One spin on axis is 59 days. Venus, one orbit around the Sun is 255 days. One spin on axis is 243 days. Earth, one orbit around Sun is 365 days and one spin on axis is 1 day. Number of moons 1. One orbit around Sun is 687 days for Mars. One spin on axis is 1 day. Number of moons is 2 for Mars. Jupiter. One orbit around Sun is 11 years, 11 months and about 12 years. One spin on axis is 9 hours 56 minutes and number of moons around is 53 for Jupiter. Saturn, one orbit around Sun is 29 years 5 months and one spin on axis is 10 hours 14 minutes. Number of moons about 53. One orbit around Sun is 84 years. One spin around axis is 17 hours 14 minutes and number of moons is 27 for Uranus. Internal Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called inner planets very close to Sun. They are made up of rocks. Outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Very far from Sun and huge planets made up of gases and liquids. Neptunes have one orbit around Sun is 164 years and one spin on axis is 16 hours 7 minutes. Number of moons is 13. Do you know Sol in Roman mythology is the sun god. Solar means related to sun. The family of sun is therefore called solar system. The sun is the center of solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for solar system, but the tremendous heat is not felt so much by us because despite of our nearest star, it is far from us. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from suns, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. An easy way to memorize the name of the planet in order of their distance from sun is mind very efficient. Mother just serves us nuts. Word origin. Many words used in the language may have been taken from some other languages. Geography, for example, is an English word. It is origin in Greek which related to description of earth. It is made up of two words, geo meaning earth and graphia meaning writing. Find out more about the earth. Geo means logia, study of earth. Metry means measurement of earth. Oid means resembling the shape of or form of earth. All the 8 planets of solar system have around the sun in fixed path. These paths are elongated. They are called orbits. Mercury is the nearest to sun. It takes about 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. Venus is considered as earth twins because its size and shape are very much similar to the earth. Till recently, August 2006, Pluto was also considered a planet. However, in a meeting of International Astronomical Union, a decision was taken that Pluto, like other celestial objects discovered in recent past, may be called dwarf planet. Do you know humans have always been fascinating gazing at night sky? Those who studied celestial bodies and their movement are called astronomers. Aryabhat was the famous astronomer of ancient India. He said that moon and planets shine due to reflected sunlight. Today, astronomers all over the world are busy in exploring the universe. Earth. Earth is the third nearest planet to Sun. Its size is it is the fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened at the pole. That is why its shape is described as geode. Geode means Earth-like shape. Conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on Earth. The Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water, air, which are very essential for our survival. The air has life-supporting gases like oxygen. Because of this reason, the Earth is a unique planet on solar system. From the outer space, the Earth appears blue because its two-third surface is covered by water. It is therefore called blue planet. Do you know light travels at the speed of 3 lakh kilometer per second? Yet even with this speed, the light of sun takes about 8 minutes to reach the Earth. Moon. Our Earth has only one satellite, that is the Moon. Its diameter is only one quarter that of Earth. It appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. Now you can compare the distance of Earth from Sun and that from Moon. Moon moves around the Earth in 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of Moon is visible to us on the Earth. Interesting fact, Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of Moon on 20 July 1969. The moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has mountains, plains, depressions on it. A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planet in the same way as planets move around the sun. Human-made satellite is an artificial body. It is designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or communication. It is carried by rocket and placed in the orbit around the Earth. Some of the Indian satellites in the space are Ncert, IRS, EduSat. This casts shadow on moon surface. Look at the full moon and observe these shadow asteroids. Apart from the stars, planets and satellites are the numerous teeny bodies which also have around sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between Mars and Jupiter. Scientists are of the view that asteroids are a part of planet which exploded many years back. Meteoroids. The small pieces of rock which move around the sun are called meteorites. Sometimes these meteorites come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteoroid, without being completely burned, falls on the earth and create hollow. Do you wish it is broadband like a white glowing path across the sky on clear starry night. It is a cluster of millions of stars. This band is called Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is a part of this galaxy. In ancient India, it was imagined to be a part of a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named as Akash Ganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that makes the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. We are not certain about the size, but we know that all of us, you and I, belong to this universe. Can you relate yourself with the universe now? You are on the earth and the earth is a part of solar system. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy, which is a part of universe. Think about the universe and fact that it contains millions of such galaxies. How do you fit in this picture?